take actions. So now you have rehearsed the what could come next. Now it's time to take action. You need to go and start talking to the person, because you have rehearsed. You can even rehearse with somebody and see how it feels in your body, and so even that person can give you some advice on how to do things better. But now when you go talk to the person, you're actually prepared. Of course, not everything will go the right way 100%, or you won't be able to anticipate everything the way it should be. But at least because you have rehearsed, it's gonna help you to get to the situation with more peace than if you haven't done that. And so yes, take action, go and talk to the person based on what you have rehearsed. And now if the relationship stops because you have addressed the difficult situation, at least you won't spend your life, the rest of your time with that person, feeling resentful, because that's the risk. If you keep everything in your heart, you never talk about it, you pretend like everything is okay, it's going to be a problem later on. So find the courage and talk to the person, because it's important. If they value your relationship and they know you're coming from a good place, they're gonna feel maybe shameful at first, but then they're gonna understand, okay, this is very difficult, so yeah, I understand they meant well, and so I have to be an adult here and take things the right way. And if they want to cut the relationship off, no regrets, because if somebody doesn't talk to you anymore because you're trying to solve a problem to avoid being resentful over time, that's on them. Yes, you like that person, you wanted to continue the relationship, but if they are not adult and mature enough, just let it go.